Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find 2/3 of 100. When we want to find a fraction of a number, we multiply the fraction by that number. So, to find 2/3 of 100, we'll multiply 2/3 times 100. Let me show you visually what this means. Here's a rectangle representing 100. If we divide it into 3 equal parts, each part represents 33.33 units. We want 2 of these 3 parts. Let's solve this step by step. First, we can rewrite 100 as 100 over 1. When multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators together and denominators together. Let's multiply. 2 times 100 equals 200 in the numerator. 3 times 1 equals 3 in the denominator. So we have 200 divided by 3. Now let's divide 200 by 3. 200 divided by 3 equals 66.66, repeating. So 2/3 of 100 equals 66.66, repeating. We can verify this is correct because if we add one more third of 100, which is 33.33, repeating, we get back to our original 100.